Welcome to our coffee haven. Today, we'll reveal barista secrets for the perfect cup of coffee. It all starts with the beans. Choose high quality, freshly roasted beans. Single origin beans offer unique flavors. Experiment to find your favorite. Grinding the beans. Barista grinding coffee beans. Grind your beans just before brewing. Use a burr grinder for a consistent grind. The grind size depends on your brewing method. Measuring the coffee. Barista weighing coffee grounds on a scale. Measure your coffee precisely. Use a scale for accuracy. A general ratio is 1:16 coffee to water. Water quality and temperature. Barista pouring water from a kettle. Water quality is crucial. Use filtered water. Heat it to around 200 F 93 C. Brewing methods. Different brewing methods. French press. Pour over. Espresso machine. Choose your brewing method. Each method brings out different flavors. We'll focus on the pour over today. Blooming the coffee. Barista pouring water over coffee grounds in a pour over. Start by blooming the coffee. Pour a small amount of water over the grounds. Let it sit for 30 seconds. This releases gases and enhances flavor. Pouring technique. Barista pouring water in a circular motion. Pour the water slowly and evenly. Use a circular motion. Maintain a steady pace for even extraction. Letting it brew. Coffee dripping into a carafe. Let the coffee brew completely. It takes about 3-4 minutes. Patience is key. Serving the coffee. Barista pouring coffee into a mug. Pour your coffee into a pre-programmed mug. This keeps it hot longer. Smell the aroma and enjoy. There you have it. The perfect cup of coffee. Try these tips at home. Enjoy your barista quality brew. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more coffee secrets.